So let's get making my yogurt berry trifle. Firstly, I'm going to get my Clinisk fat-free vanilla yogurt. I'm going to use 2 pots of this. Now I know cream is a little bit indulgent, but we're allowed a little bit of indulgence every now and again. So we're going to start by building each layer. I'm just going to add some of the halved boudoir biscuits, layer some of our berry compote on top, and then we're going to layer some of our fat-free Greek vanilla cream, and then we just keep on layering up until we reach the top. So now we're just going to finish off by placing some lovely fresh berries on top. For more of my healthy recipes, go to glenisk.com.